Hello everybody and welcome to week 2 of our Google search engine optimization. So what we've done last week is we've registered for a Google account. This week we're going to actually sign in to Google. And we're going to actually Google Analytics. Now we need access to Google Analytics so we know where people are coming from, what browser they're using, so the geographic, demographic details about them, and pretty much anything else that we need to know to make an educated decision on if our site is working or not. So we will access Google Analytics. Now the site that I'm working on right now is called Cosi Ristorante Italiano. So this is a restaurant website. Shouldn't have much traffic. However, the traffic does have to be we still have to track it to know what was actually happening with the website. So we'll go back onto Google Analytics and we'll add a new profile. We'll click add a profile for a new domain. We will add the actual website in here. We will select the country and the time, click continue. Now what this does is this gives us tracking code which we'll then have to insert into the actual HTML. So the easiest way to do this is to click on here, hold down the control key and click C. So control C, that will actually copy it. Another way of doing it is right clicking and copying it this way. Now it gives you instruction on how to actually insert this. Google says copy the following code block into every page you want to track immediately before the /body tag. Now this website actually runs on a Joomla platform, so I can do this very easily by editing the HTML. So this is the website that we're editing the HTML. We scroll all the way to the bottom. And here we go, just before the bottom /body. So what we're going to do is we're going to either right click and paste or hit the control V, and that'll actually paste that code into there. Once we hit the save button here, we can click on the finish here and the page will start tracking. Now what I'm doing is I'm actually tracking only the front page of this website. If I wanted to track any of the other pages, I would actually have to get a Joomla plugin to track other pages. However, depending on how your website was designed, if it was designed using WordPress or if it was designed just pure HTML or Flash, you'll have to find out the code for each and every page and insert this tracking thing into every single page of your web page. Now the status here is still tracking not installed. We're going to view the report. Now it does take a few minutes, sometimes a few hours to actually start gathering the data, so we won't worry about this too much. We will move on and come back to this shortly. Now the second thing we have to do is we have to install the Webaster tools for our website and register our website with Google. So what we'll do is we'll actually go back onto the main page, so google.com.au. We'll hit on the My Account here on the top end, and then we'll actually go into the Webaster tools right here, and we will have to register the website. So there's a couple of ways to actually register a website. So the first thing we need to do is call it, or to give them the domain name that our site is actually on. We'll hit on add a new site, and then what they'll ask us is to actually verify it. There's a couple of ways to verify this. The site has been added to the account. Verify your ownership to view details and statistics. So what we can do is we'll have to verify the website before we can do anything with it, and we can choose a different method. So we can upload an HTML file, or we can add a meta. So what we'll choose here is to add a meta tag. Both methods are quite simple. However, this is a simpler of the two. So it gives you directions again how to do it. Copy the meta tag, list it below, and paste it in your site's homepage in the first head section. So after the head section before the body section. So we're going to go back into here, back into our HTML. This is a head section in the HTML. What we can do is Control F head. Right here. Here's a head section. So what we'll do is we'll insert it before all the PHP functions, and we'll save this. And now I can actually verify it here. It just tells me that I have successfully verified the website that I was trying to verify. So, to sum up what we've done today, we've registered our website with Google Webmaster Tools, and we've also installed the tracking on the website so we can track and see who's coming to our website and where they're coming from and who they are pretty much. Now, another thing that we'll have to do, which we'll look into in the next couple of weeks, is install a sitemap. If you wanted to find out a little bit more about sitemaps, Google sitemaps, and there's a lot of information, a lot of relevant information on the topic. This is how Google actually crawls our website and how it finds the pages on our website. So, but this is it for now. We've installed what we needed to install for this week, and as of next week we will actually start optimizing it and creating articles and building links to the website. Thank you. This is Nick Dinnick. See you next week.